Welcome to my latest update. This is my new setup here. Now I've got the donor noise killer, the Sony Kate reverberator. I've got the on-off switches on it there, so I can isolate the 9-volt batteries from each of the pedals, so they won't go flat by themselves. Even when the pedal's off, there's a voltage loss into the pedals somewhere. Even if the LEDs are off and the switches are off, it still lose the voltage to go flat. So I put an isolation switches there. Here's my adapter plug, so I rigged up this adapter thing here, saving having to use the patch cable. And underneath here is the audio amp. Now this amp I just tested out using this mega amplifier speaker out of the old GL20 mega amp, which didn't work, and I couldn't take it back under warranty because the warranty's probably run out. So I'm using this mega amp speaker. There's no information about what ohms it is. All I can find out online is it's about 8 ohms, and this circuit happens to deliver the sound into 8 ohms. The problem is, when you switch from AM to FM on that, you're going to turn this thing down really loud. I was going to get an ear-splitting bloody sound out of this thing. I tell you, this is loud. This amplifier is loud. This little mini amplifier kit from JK Electronics really amp up the ghost sounds good. So anyhow, I'm going to wire this up with a cable and put it on the plug so the plug can plug in there, okay? That's switched off at the moment. So this little setup here works brilliantly. The amplifier works really loud, and then even with the spirit radio run into the donor noise killer and the output of the reverberator into the input of the amplifier circuit, it's brilliant. It works really good and it's nice and loud. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.